everybody, I'm Manny. Welcome back to my channel, Aftershave. So as you can already see, currently I am in another truck stop finally. It's been a long time since I've done a video over the road. I am currently in Salt Lake City, Utah. So let's get into a shave as quick as possible because I have been in this bathroom quite a bit. I did bring my Phoenix travel scuttle, but I left the stopper inside my truck, and I will be getting in with the black pepper and lime shave cream from St. James of London. The lighting is really horrible here, and I'm just gonna keep trying to talk over the music in the background so I don't get copyrighted. And if I do, you'll probably hear some music throughout the whole video, just so I'm gonna use it all here because there's no point of saving it. The altitude here, dropping and raising of the altitude is only gonna make the stuff squirt out, and just use the hell out of it, you know? So I'm gonna be using the matching set, the sample. Here is the post shave. I'm gonna be using the Parker 24 open comb 24C from Super Safety Razor. Blade of choice will be the chrome, the big chrome platinums, and brush of choice will be the 730 HD Samode. And I do have a few shades on the blade already. Here you go. So I just now jumped out the shower, and it is freaking cold outside. So cold that the heater is having a hard time in here to keep up. 6 degrees outside right now. So there is the blade there. And yeah, so it actually took me quite a while to get everything set up because I haven't done this in a while, so it was kind of rusty doing all my setup and everything. But I think that is good for now. And had to get a haircut because I went to the barber to get my hair trimmed and he screwed up. So I had to go to my original barber to get it fixed up. I was out and about and went to a shindig with the family, so I needed a haircut, and unfortunately I was far from home. And so I needed a haircut desperately, and I knew I was making a mistake, but with the gel and everything slicked back, it didn't look too bad. But when I got home, and I like to leave my hair. Ooh, this is nice. I like to let my hair down. And when I started letting it down, I was not at all happy with the results of the haircut. You know, when you're at the barber, it's hard to see at the moment what your hair looks like. And until the aftermath, when I got home and rinsed out and let it down and everything, and I just been really enjoying the natural look and no product in my hair. And the scent's nice. I dig it. It's quite peppery. I mean, it's in the name, right? It's quite peppery, black peppery, like fresh ground pepper. I can smell the lime in the background. And this thing is just working up a phenomenal lather. Now there isn't very much room in here to load, so I will have to add water as needed. And we shall see how we get on. See how we do. I got this fan behind me and I was thinking of turning it on to drown out the noise. This freaking light in the front here, there's a light right above the mirror that's out. Yeah, I love this scent, or I love the cream. This product is really good stuff. I've never tried this scent. Obviously it's in the sample, right? and there's a lot of water. I wish I had this kind of water pressure at home. Yeah, the scent is nice, I dig it. It's a bit too peppery for me. It almost makes me want to sneeze. It's all right. Now, like I said, I have been in here a bit, trying to figure out how everything was going. Or should I say how everything went? First pass with the grain. Holy moly, that's smooth. I have 2 days of growth, I believe. Right on the borderline of 3 maybe. This blade has got 6 uses on it maybe. You know, this soap or cream, should I say, smells like a soapy, not brush soap, but like a hand soap, maybe like a soapy, clean soapy, citrusy, peppery. Almost like a floral, citrusy hand soap. Yeah, I dig it, but I don't think I wouldn't purchase it myself. I don't believe. Yeah, so I have been experimenting with this blade. Yeah, I'm not gonna borderline a whine and sneeze. I think it's just the body's natural reaction to wanting to sneeze to smelling pepper. Yeah, I love this cream because it's really slick, very cushiony, protective. I forgot the one that I have. Sandalwood and bergamot or something, I think it was. Or grapefruit and sandalwood. It's great stuff. Yeah, so I have tried this blade in a few razors already, and especially some open combs, and I really dug the results. Right now it's really smooth, but on the previous shave, feel like the blade's on the way out. It could just be the pairing of the razor and blade. I'm not sure because I'm not yet experienced enough with this razor or blade. Just going based off of what I think. And earlier, before when I forgot what I was talking about, I was mentioning that I have been in here in a while, so it's only a matter of time before they start knocking.
Customer 86, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 6.
And I am in the Love's truck stop. Yeah, judging by the coarseness of the shave, or the feel of the coarseness of, you know what I'm talking about. It feels like I do have only 2 days of growth. Luckily, it's right around 11 o'clock in the morning, afternoonish. So there isn't too much traffic, so I don't gotta worry about the rush. But I do gotta hurry. Tell you what, this cream can take a lot of water. I've already added tons of water to this. I'm gonna add some more. Sorry about the faucet. It's just there's so much pressure and it kicks back. Yeah, so I haven't really pushed this cream to its limits, but I do know it's really good stuff. Highly recommend it. And the full size comes in a really nice, luxurious glass jar. Soap, splash, and EDT. And we'll see how this does here. Not bad. I wasn't expecting it to get through. It does feel like the blade's on its way out, like I said. And I have been pushing my skin to its absolute limits. Trying to get all these videos out. If you haven't noticed already. So we may see some weepers today. But not at all uncomfortable. Feels pretty good. I'm actually pretty interested to see how this razor would do with a brand new big blade. And the reason why I'm using this razor today is because those of you may know, I struggle with this razor. To find a pairing blade for it. Okay, so right here on this side, I just started hearing the blade. It's making this tinky sound. So the blade on its way out. It's not tuggy, but it is struggling to get across the growth. Wow. And the reason why I'm using this razor today, because I used my Calypso open comb, the M2, with the Bic, and I got a really good shave from it. So that kind of, you know, turned a light bulb on in my head, and I was like, I wonder. I am gonna pause here, do my cleanup off camera, and let me show you that lather there. Let me see. There you go. I did put a lot of water in here. But man, look at that. It's still good. This stuff holds really well. All right, I'll be back, guys. All right. All right, let's get in with the alum block. So I can't wait to use a blade, like I already said, a brand new one. Because I think I may have found a razor or a matching blade for this razor. Right now it's still a little stingy as I used to get with this razor. The feedback, that is. But yeah. the shave was much more better. So I do believe the shave would go really well, better with a brand new blade. All right, guys, we're gonna talk about that. All right, guys, that is my shave. Nice. Now let's get in with the Aftershave Balm. Oh, and just before I forget, I did bring my range leather dot bag. You can see there, I got all my goodies in there. Hope I don't drop anything. But there you have it. In fact, I'm going to start putting my stuff away. I already list my stuff out anyways, so we went in with the 730 730 HD Smoke Badger Parker 30 the 24C, excuse me. I'm gonna put it here in the pouch, and they're your choice. Big chrome platinum, and this one is a jelly. I may have put too much in there. Got to sneeze. Must be the pepper. Oh, that's nice. You know, I'll just save some of this for tomorrow. When I get up and wash up, it's gonna help with the healing of the skin. All right. Well, that is my shave, guys. I also did the travel scuttle from Crown King. Really comes in handy, this thing here. That is my shave, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. For here, the shave from the truck stop in Salt Lake City, Utah, and the Love's Truck Stop. So hope y'all enjoyed. If you do, please like, favorite, share, and subscribe as always, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Y'all stay safe out there. Later, guys.